Takonat Takoyaki Station. Wow! Nano babo ako Belen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, this is the third time we'll be receiving Takonat Takoyakis. Woo! First time na na-feature po namin sila, sobrang nag-enjoy kami dun sa mga pinadala nilang mga takoyaki trays. So, I remember at that time, nagmukbang po tayo. Hinulaan natin kung ano yung mga flavors ng mga takoyaki natin. So now, they have sent us again yung mga favorite nating mga takoyaki. So this one is a cheese. Then meron tayong crab and corn. And then this one, meron tayong octobits at saka cheesy bombs. Now, this one is a cheesy plus. If you notice, first time ko pong nakita ito na pinadala nila sa atin. Another first time. At ito yung pinaka big takoyaki. This is so huge. Grabe. Again, guys, these kinds of street food are becoming popular. Good thing, available po ang mga Giant Takoyaki na to kay Takonat Takoyaki Station. So, we're gonna taste this one. Actually, dito tayo mag-focus, guys. Kasi naman, grabe, guys. Isang takoyaki ball lang na to is equivalent to, I think, 4 or even 6. Pero ang laki, guys. Sobrang laki nito. So, dito tayo magmumukbang Giant Takoyaki ball by Takonat Takoyaki. So let me open it. Whoa! Wow! In the inside, ayan, you got several other ingredients. Oh. So may cabbage, you got some meat, corn, octopus bits. Meron pa pala siyang ganun. Wow! So all of the ingredients or mga flavors natin dun sa mga regular size takoyaki nandito sa loob ng Giant Takoyaki na to. Wow! Naman ha? I remember yung unang vlog natin sa akin na. Alright. Cheers! Wow naman ha? First off, before natin i-reveal kung ano yung mga flavors na pinadala nila, I would like to comment yung butter na ginamit nila dito, it's not starchy. Yun yung pinaka-base ng takoyaki natin. It has to really satisfy me. And then next is yung takoyaki sauce. All across yung mga pans natin has the same flavor for the takoyaki sauce. Very authentic and very Japanese talaga yung dating ng sauce nila sa akin. And then lastly, yung flavor or yung feeling, probably it's a reveal kung ano yung mga pinadala nila, no? Okay, so this one is the So yun guys, that was our first ever video with Takonat Takoyaki, and I remember captioning that video vlog, the taste of Japan. So that is true to itself. Takoyaki at the outside and takoyaki in the inside. You're gonna for sure taste the real takoyaki of Japan. And pasensya na kayo guys. So nung pinapanood ko yung video na yon, naubos ko na yung isang takoyaki ball giant natin, and sobrang nabubusog na ako dito. I think yung isang takoyaki ball is, you know, good enough for a meal. For one meal, I guess. How about more if you're able to finish 2 giant takoyakis? Yun, ha? Alright, so there you have it guys. Giant Takoyaki available na po sa Takonat Takoyaki Station. If you want this great meal straight to your doorstep while it's hot, make sure to message the fan page we're gonna be providing below, or this number. Call this number guys, this one. Ayan. So, nakatikim ka na ba ng Takonat Takoyaki? If not yet, this is the right time for you to check them out and experience the real taste of Japan. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, grabe, nabusog ako dito. Peace out. Bye!